What if you could stay in a luxury villa, a beachfront escape, or a cozy mountain cabin, all for a fraction of the price? The best Airbnb aren't just about luck, they are about knowing the secrets that most travelers overlook. From hidden discounts to timing tricks that slash prices, we're revealing the insider hacks to booking the cheapest and best Airbnb. Ready to unlock your dream stay without breaking the bank? Let's dive in. But before starting, don't forget to smash this subscribe button so you never miss out on video like this. Number 15. Optimize your Airbnb profile. First impressions matter, even on Airbnb. A complete and verified Airbnb profile can increase your chances of being accepted by hosts, especially for popular or high-demand listings. Include a friendly bio, upload a clear and professional profile picture, and share details about your travel preferences and past experiences. For instance, a well-written bio mentioning your love for exploring local cultures or maintaining cleanliness reassures hosts that you'll treat their property with respect. Some hosts may even prioritize your booking over others if they find your profile relatable and trustworthy. Number 14. Explore unique properties. Think beyond the typical stays. One of Airbnb's standout features is its wide variety of unique properties. From tree houses and yurts to castles and houseboats, these options often provide more value compared to traditional accommodations. For example, booking a countryside villa with a private pool for a family trip might cost less per person than multiple hotel rooms. Additionally, these unique stays often come with amenities such as kitchens, outdoor spaces, or fire pits, enhancing your experience while saving on dining and entertainment costs. Number 13. Check for special offers. Many hosts provide promotions like last-minute discounts, early booking offers, or seasonal specials. Keep an eye out for these deals by browsing the offers section on Airbnb or checking listings in your chosen destination. Additionally, Airbnb occasionally runs platform-wide promotions. Signing up for their newsletter or enabling app notifications can help you stay informed about these opportunities. For instance, a host might offer a 20% discount for stays booked within a week, perfect for spontaneous travelers. Number 12. Plan for flexibility. Flexibility can be your secret weapon. If your travel dates aren't set in stone, use Airbnb's calendar feature to explore price variations for different days or weeks. Weekdays, for example, are often cheaper than weekends. For example, starting your trip on a Tuesday rather than a Friday could save you a significant amount. Being open to last-minute bookings can also unlock discounts, as hosts prefer to fill unoccupied dates rather than leave their property vacant. Number 11. Look for new listings. New Airbnb hosts often set lower prices to attract guests and build reviews. While these listings may lack extensive feedback, they can offer hidden gems at excellent rates. To minimize risks, communicate directly with the host to clarify any uncertainties. Look for properties with verified photos and comprehensive descriptions to ensure reliability. For instance, a newly listed beachside cottage might offer luxury at a fraction of the usual cost. Number 10. Stay outside city centers. City center accommodations are convenient, but often come with hefty price tags. Staying in nearby suburbs or less touristy neighborhoods can save you money without compromising comfort. For example, booking in Brooklyn instead of Manhattan can provide a more authentic local experience at a lower cost. Ensure that your chosen location has good public transport links for easy access to major attractions. Staying outside the city also allows you to explore hidden gems and local favorites that tourists often miss. Number 9. Travel during off-peak seasons. Timing is everything when it comes to travel costs. Visiting destinations during off-peak seasons can lead to significant savings on accommodations and other travel expenses. For example, European destinations like Paris or Rome are less crowded and more affordable in late autumn or early spring compared to the busy summer months. Similarly, tropical destinations like Bali or the Maldives often have lower rates during their rainy seasons. Researching the best times to visit your destination can unlock deals and offer a quieter, more enjoyable experience. Number 8. Use Airbnb search filters effectively. Airbnb's search filters can help you find exactly what you need. Whether you're looking for specific amenities like Wi-Fi, a pool, or a pet-friendly space, These filters narrow down the options. If you're on a budget, set a maximum nightly rate to avoid exceeding your limit. Families or groups can use the entire place filter to ensure privacy. For those short on time, the Instant Book filter eliminates the need for host approval, allowing you to confirm bookings immediately. Number 7. Communicate with hosts. Establishing open communication with hosts can make a big difference, especially for extended stays or last-minute bookings. Don't hesitate to ask questions about the property, amenities, or even the possibility of a discount. For example, if a property hasn't been booked for your desired dates, some hosts might be willing to negotiate a reduced rate. A polite and respectful approach often yields positive results. Hosts appreciate proactive and courteous guests, making them more likely to accommodate special requests. Number 6. Factor in additional fees. Airbnb pricing isn't just about the nightly rate. Additional fees such as cleaning charges, service fees, and taxes can quickly add up. For example, a listing advertised at $75 per night with a $100 cleaning fee for a 2-night stay effectively costs $125 per night. To avoid surprises, review the total price breakdown before finalizing your booking. Use Airbnb price per stay filter to compare options and ensure transparency. Number 5. Pay attention to reviews and ratings. Reviews provide invaluable insights into a listing's quality and the host's reliability. They often highlight details you won't find in the description, such as the noise level, cleanliness, or accuracy of the listing. While high ratings are important, specific comments can be even more revealing. For instance, consistent praise about a host's hospitality or cleanliness can make a listing stand out. On the flip side, mentions of misrepresented spaces or poor communication are red flags to avoid. Number 4. Scrutinize photos and descriptions. High-quality photos and detailed descriptions are hallmarks of trustworthy listings. Photos should clearly showcase all areas, including bedrooms, bathrooms, and communal spaces. Be wary of listings with few or low-quality photos, as they might hide flaws or inaccuracies. Similarly, vague descriptions can indicate a lack of transparency. A well-documented listing with clear information about amenities, location, and house rules is a good sign of a reliable host. Number 3. Use the Superhost filter. Superhosts are experienced hosts with consistently high ratings and excellent guest feedback. While their listings might not always be the cheapest, they often provide exceptional value. Superhosts typically go above and beyond with thoughtful touches like welcome guides, free Wi-Fi, or stocked kitchens. For first-time travelers or those visiting unfamiliar destinations, choosing a superhost ensures peace of mind and a higher likelihood of a smooth stay. Number 2. Consider longer stays. Airbnb frequently offers discounts for extended stays, such as weekly or monthly rates. These discounts can significantly reduce your overall costs, especially for budget-conscious travelers. For instance, a 7-day stay might save you 15 to 20% compared to nightly rates, while a 28-day booking could unlock even steeper discounts. Sometimes, booking slightly longer than your intended stay can qualify you for these reductions, making it a more economical choice. Number 1. Book in advance. Booking early is one of the golden rules for securing the best deals on Airbnb. Popular listings, particularly those in prime locations or with excellent reviews, are often reserved months in advance. For example, reserving an Airbnb in Paris 6 months before your trip can cost significantly less than booking a few weeks prior. Early booking not only saves money, but also gives you access to a wider range of options, ensuring you don't miss out on your ideal accommodation. Which one caught your eye? Is it the enchanting seashell house in Mexico, the fairy tale boot cottage in New Zealand, or the luxurious Villa San Giacomo in Italy? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel inspiration that will ignite your wanderlust and help you plan your next adventure.